today we are going to make a very easy, simple recipe called 8 travel porridge. Let's get started. Those are all the ingredients. Rice, black sticky rice, mung beans, millet, dates, gluten rice, peanuts, rocking sugar, instant oatmeal. Wash it first, except the oatmeal and the rocking sugar. Use it for the second time. Drain and put in the instant pot. And the water to around 2 for the porridge. Put the pot in the instant pot. Cover the lid. Choose porridge. Okay, done. Let's read and see. It's all done.